So that's pretty much it for me, guys. I'm gonna pass on the torch and see what Darion got.
All right, what's good? What's good? What's good?
Was good.
Them harmonics, bro. Them harmonics. Give me 1 second. I got was it gold? Gold marked out and played out exactly how I charted it. The start of the week. Let me show you that one first. Somebody was going ham this week. Jay.
Yeah, gotta get it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, my bad. The webby was late today. I'm leaving Colorado tomorrow morning, and shit, I had a bunch of shit I had to get done. And it's gonna be AK, but you know we ain't gonna stop charting up. So I'll have some setups ready for next week too.
Oh yeah. All right, check it out. Can you guys see that?
Yep.
So we got
All
this
right.
one.
I don't mind the webinar being at 10.
Yeah.
We got X, A, B, and this is where gold started at the beginning of the week, right here. And my initial analysis was it was going to push down, come up, and then go back down. Boom, boom, boom. That was by Wednesday. Today's Thursday. And this is where gold is standing today. Damn near exactly what I said. It went straight down.
Bro.
I missed this entry because it was like I moved it up like 5 pips, but it never triggered it. So I should have moved it up 10 and I would have caught that rise back up. But I did get back in it right here because it came down and then I re-entered right here. I wrote it up some and then I got out right here, right? Because it never came all the way up to the 786. So I was like, well, fuck, I got to get out before it retraces. So it ended up retracing. I chased it down, right? Caught a sell on it. And then I got out because I had to fall asleep because I was tired as hell. But that's about it. I caught this initial move down, right? I missed the buy. I caught some of the buy on the second impulse and some of the sell on the initial impulse down. But right now, it hit the TP1. That's where it is chilling at right now. So this harmonic did not play out perfectly, but learning the how gold handles harmonics is pretty damn close. So what I would say in taking harmonics on gold, I would extend my entry, right? So I'd bring my entry up closer and maybe put it at a lower lot size to lower my risk and make sure I'm able to capitalize on its volatility because gold moves pretty damn quick. All right, now here's a couple ones that I just charted up while we were on the webinar. This one right here is another gartley pattern, but as you can see, it's already been played out. It's already at TP1. But you can see right here, this is a daily chart. Came down, came up, hit the 61.8, came down, bounced off of this resistance zone, came back up to the 786, and it respected the ABA 113 as well. As you can see that it wicked all the way to the top of that one, right? Let me zoom in for you. Wicked all the way up to the top of that and then plummeted down, and that was literally on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks. It dropped the whole week, right? And then it's just been consolidating for the last trade week. So that move happened the week before. So, but there's another one that I found as well. So that was what, 1 gartley, 2 gartley, and we got a shark playing out right now, right? And this is Cash Yetchef, the Swiss, whatever. So it goes down right here, came back up, retraced up to like right above the 50. It's not a 6-1 61.86. It's not, but that's just how close it is, just so you know how close it is to becoming a gartley. But the difference in between this and the shark, right? If it would have hit the 618, it would not have extended down here, right? So if it hit the 168 and it extended down here, that's how you know it's a shark, right? It usually a shark on a pattern like this, right, would always hit like a 50. It'll be in the 50 zone or it'll be right below this, right? But if it was very close and we didn't know this was playing out at the bottom down here, it just tapped it. What I would do is, this is the little nugget right here. It's always within the 3% zone. So I would come down here. Oh, nope, I made one right there. Okay, right there. So if it tapped this 58.8, because that's 3% less than this, then I would still consider that to be a gartley, right? Because it's either 3% below or 3% above. But it's so close, but it's also not close. So the thing is that 3% can validate the pattern as well. So you got to take that in consideration, right? I got a couple of 3% in here. You always got to have that 3% zone. So, but long story short, since it did extend past the 0 point where we started, right, and went down here, that means it's going to be a shark pattern, right? So it went down here, got rejected off the 113, and it's coming all the way back up to the top. So my prediction on this, you just look back, look at how the pattern is forming. I like to go up to the daily, right? Count my candlesticks. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10. That's 2 weeks of work just to set this pattern up. So I would say to finish the extension, right? I would say to take another 1, 2, 3, 4. So halfway into next week, I could see this hitting this zone up here and finishing, well, its first rejection off of the PRZ zone, price reversal zone. So I would be looking to take a sell right here at the 75500 because it's so close to the quarter point. That's a quarter point right there before it hits these two zones, because these zones up here are rejected by the Fibonacci's that are in this pattern, right? So it's the 1686. 1618. Yep, and then that 8816. Those are the two rejection zones. But since it's so close to this quarter point, I would take a sell off the quarter point before I take it off of those. You see what I'm saying? So I would put a sell limit right here. So if it goes up and extends past and tries to dump down, I'm already in. I'm where I need to be. So with that said, I would put my stop loss at the 100%, right? So that's only 20 pips. That's 20 pip spread. So even if it comes up here and you guys want to wait until it hits this, wait till it hits that, you're risking way more than you would gain. You're risking missing the initial move. So me personally, I wouldn't risk that. I would just adjust my my size or my lot size, and then just lower my risk and take it at a lower lot size. See what I'm saying? I don't want to miss initial risk because I'm afraid of not hitting the entry so nice. You know what I mean? So just turn down this lot size and take that drawdown, and you're gonna capitalize every time. And then plus you're using less risk. So that's a shark pattern. Now this one I just found. Now this one's badass. This one's sexy. This I found on the daily, right? Because the way I look for patterns, I just zoom out and look through, and if I see like a M or a W, that's just what the market's made on, M's and W's, whatever you want to call them.
Oh, that's just like
Patterns, bro.
GPD, same setup.
Bro, but this is a weekly.
Yeah, I know, same setup.
Bro,
It's
all
on
I'm
a
saying
weekly too, GPAD.
this hole is big. So I don't know how long it's gonna take to get up here, right? Because this is 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 3 months. That's 3 months already. So maybe by February we get up to the zone, or we're gonna see a hella fucking drop, D. You know what I'm saying? So I will keep my eye on this, and when it gets up here, bro, best believe I'm gonna call out that motherfucking sell. So just have your lot sizes ready, because that bitch gonna be dropping for a while. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, so you're waiting
Feel
for
me?
70 over 2100 or so?
Yeah, 211. It gets up to 210. I'm already looking for the sell. I'm getting itchy. You know what I'm saying? I'll take 100 pip drawdown. I don't give a damn. Let's go. But if
Yeah,
it hit,
yeah,
bro, and that motherfucker drop a wow, G. You know what I'm saying? Like
yeah.
that's
Yeah, it's because low key,
tremendous.
I'm trying to sell it already, because it's doing the same exact pattern as GBP AUD, and it's at the top of the WAM. So damn, that whole volatile as fuck
Bro,
too. So
that's
it's like, man, now you
1700,
got me iffy on selling it.
bro. That's a 1700 pip drop. You know what I'm saying?
And
Like you can put a tiny ass lot size and just ride that motherfucker down. Like you said, like just turn it down, take what you got and keep going. Ride that little motherfucker down. That'd be nice. But yeah, those are the three those are 4 pairs that I've been looking at, right? And
nice.
the that third one on the monthly. So I mean on the weekly, and I can see that playing out in a couple months. So just stay with us, keep it rocking, and we'll keep knocking these hoes out for you. That's all I got to share.
Anybody got any questions before we lift off? What's up, Rafa? You got anything?